And our next guest is Michael J. Fox. Come on out here, Michael. Parkinsons. So tell me, Michael. Tell me when you first discovered that you had Parkinson's. Well, Rachel, I first discovered that I had Parkinson's when I was on that TV show. Oh, and I heard that you raised a lot of money for it. Yes, one of my biggest supporters is here. Oh, and who is that? Pancakes for Parkinsons. What the hell are you doing now? I am on pills. I have tardive dyskinesia. And that's better for you at night when you're lying down to go to sleep? Yes, much better. Well, I always like to vibrate in my bed. I didn't do it right.